Hello there, would you like to watch a Clint Eastwood film, The Mule, on Netflix? Well, it can be found in two countries currently, and those countries are Australia and in Japan. But did you know that if you use the VPN services of PureVPN, you can gain access to the content in both countries? So here I have the PureVPN application running. I'm connected to a server in Japan, and as you can see here I have The Mule. In the same way, you can also watch A Star is Born, and you can also watch, for example, Aquaman on Netflix in Japan. So here I can press play and I will be able to watch The Mule on Netflix in Japan using PureVPN. You will find a link to the PureVPN website in the movie description. So click that link to get a nice discount and you can get ready to stream The Mule in a few minutes from now on all platforms. Do not forget PureVPN has a 31-day full refund policy. You can also use it to watch BBC, ITV, American Netflix, Canadian Netflix, and so much more. Thank you for watching and enjoy watching The Mule on Netflix.